Okay, I'm Mr. Kim Chang-ho from South Korea. This year I visit in Gilgit. I'll back my hometown. I got on summit 14 8,000 peaks. The short terms, 7 years, 10 months. Also, I awarded Pure Door in 2017. It's here is very beautiful scenery and the highest mountain in northern Pakistan. So I travel and exploration about 7 years. So there's very heartily local tribe and people, and also it is many Gilgit and Pakistan people. So everybody, you travel in northern Pakistan area and also try to climbing, try to fall in love with Pakistan and northern people. Okay?